Most ground cover or annual color are shown as either a solid fill or some type of hatching pattern. You can open the plant placement command from the landscape menu or by clicking on the toolbar icon. I'll switch to ground cover here under the category drop-down menu and select a ground cover from the database. Select a size and then choose Area Fill under the symbol type drop-down menu. Most ground cover and annual color are both done with an area fill. You can choose whether you'd like a triangular or a square layout and what the spacing is going to be in feet for the plants on center. This will allow the program to calculate how many plants are located in the area once we outline an area on the drawing screen. You can select no fill, a solid color, linear gradient, radial gradient, or a hatch pattern. I'll use a hatch pattern for this example. Select a pattern you'd like to use by selecting the pattern from the drop-down menu. You can change the angle of the pattern and scale. You'll have to play with the scale amount to determine what works best for you and the device you're printing to. You can then change the foreground or background color by clicking on the color, selecting a new one, and pressing the OK button. You can also adjust the opacity if needed. You can select a fill render if you'd like, although we suggest not using a fill render on small areas, as it can slow down the printing process. Once you have the settings you'd like and you're ready to fill in an area, you won't have to make changes to these settings again unless you want to. To begin selecting an area to fill, choose which type of selection method you'd like to use. You can choose to draw the area manually by choosing Draw Manual from the drop-down box and pressing the green Add button. Click where you'd like to begin drawing the area and fill in the shape you'd like to use. Press Enter when you're done drawing. You could also choose From Selection from the drop-down menu and click on the Add button. Choose the selection you would like to fill with the area and press the Enter key to fill in the closed areas within the selection. The areas must be completely enclosed to work. You could also choose From Point from the drop-down menu, click the Add button, and select a point inside the closed area which you'd like to fill. Press one time with the left mouse button and the area will automatically be filled. One more note on areas. If the area was the most recently drawn entity on the design screen, it'll often appear on top of other entities previously drawn. To change this, select the area, go to the Edit menu, Draw Order, and choose Move to Back. You could also select the area and use the hotkeys of Control and Page Down.